in the first few rows. Please be warned that you are seated in the flat zone. Well, there is a high chance that you will get wet, okay? And this lady is prepared. Okay. Last but not least, right after the show, please do not just rush off. Okay, we will have our operation guys to help you, to guide you out of this amphitheater accordingly. Okay? Alright, now with that said, let's see if my sea lion is ready. You heard that my sea lion is ready? Well, I am ready when my sound man up there is ready. So, let's dive into the western coast of the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to meet our California sea lion! About what? 40 kilometers per hour? And they get that. And they get. You hold on, yeah? Good afternoon, Raven.
Good afternoon, Sunny.
Trying to speak to them, and you go, why you gotta be so rude?
Sunny?
Yeah.
The problem
is
you.
Hey.
Alright, calm down, Philip. Alright.
What did I do?
He's very upset with you.
What happened?
He said from the start of the show, you forget something very important about him.
No, I've already mentioned that he can live. Oh, well, ladies and gentlemen, I failed to mention that sea lions, especially Philip over here, is intelligent and good looking. How shy are you? Alright, now let's show them how strong those flippers are. Weaver, flippers there. For those of you who missed that, get your cameras ready. One more time. Alright, now, many people mistook sea lions for another creature called the true seal. So right here, Philip is going to show you how a true seal looks on land and how a true seal moves on land. The sea lions are much more versatile than that. Right here, he's going to show you a few moves with a flipper wall. A spin, a little bit of a dance over there. right now, we are going to show you how fast he can swim. Alright, Philip, let's go. Let's show them how fast you can.
Water. Okay.
Raven, what's happening? How come today? He got a lot of complaint. This one what? Singapore Sea Lion.
Watch out, mostly Singaporeans here.
Yeah, I know.
No. He says it's not very comfortable to go into the pool.
But why? He's a sea lion.
Sorry, he mentioned he saw something big, something scary in the water.
Something big and scary in the pool. But I've already checked the pool. Never mind, let me check again, okay? Oh, nothing this side. Nothing this. Look at that, he doesn't trust me. He also wants to check. Come on, Philip, there's nothing big in the pool. Let's show them how fast you can swim. A shark? If that's your side, you'll have to go dinner. Come on. Let's show some speed. Now that is what I'm talking about. And with his streamlined body, a belly slide. Alright. Now, sea lions, they have been used by the US Navy SEALs for search and rescue mission. So right now, we will show you how they do it. So what I've got here with me is called a diving stick. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to drop this diving stick into the water and we're going to get Philip to retrieve the stick. But before that, Philip, no peeping, hold on, let the diving stick settle down. Alright, Raven, are we ready? Let's go! Eyesight in the water. Alright. Now, Philip has been practicing this move and he wants to show it off to you. This is called the corkscrew. Covering their eyes, which enables them to open up their eyes in the water. That was cool, but let's slow things down a little bit right here, okay? Now, you have seen how strong those swimmers are, and you have seen how fast he can swim. Right now, we are going to show you how intelligent the sea lion is. So what's going to happen is that Raven is going to place a juicy piece of fish right in front of Philip. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, sea lions, they cannot resist fish. Now, Philip can see the fish. He can smell the fish. He can almost taste the fish. Yum, yum, yum. But he is not going to take that fish until he hears a signal from his trainer, which is, I repeat, which is a single Now you all can try to clap as much as you want to distract him. Come on, let's try. Hey, sorry, I forgot. I didn't mention one single clap, didn't I? I tell you what, okay, hold on. I tell you what. On the count of 3, I want everybody to clap once, together. Can we do that? Yeah, okay, hands up. Hey, I haven't counted to 3. 1, 2, 3. Alamak, some too fast, some too slow, some very slow. Yeah, try that again. Hands up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You all so easy to train.